Okay, for this one I'm going to use the verb lepo. Again, we'll do the present imperfect and aorist. So I'm going to add now the endings to the present stem. Lepo, I leave. Lepes, you leave. Lepe, he, she, it leaves. Lepomen, we leave. Lepete, you leave. And lepusi, they leave. And then if we move to the middle passive, we're going to use the same stem, but now the middle passive endings. Lepomai, I am being left. Lepe, two spellings, you are being left. Lepetai, he is being left. Lepomatha, we are being left. Lepesthe, you are being left. And lepontai, they are being left. And now if we move to the imperfect, we're going to put the augment on that same stem that we were just now using, elep, and now use the secondary endings. Elepon, I was leaving. Elepes, you were leaving. Elepe, he, she, or it was leaving. Elepomen, we were leaving. Elepete, you were leaving. And elepon, they were leaving. So notice throughout we've got the augment on the present stem. And now we're going to do the same thing, but now with the middle passive secondary endings. So use the same stem, elep plus almain. Elepalmain, I was being left. Elepu, you were being left. Elepeto, he was being left. Elepometha, we were being left. Elepesthe, you were being left. And eleponto, they were being left. And now if we move to the aorist, this verb has a second aorist, so which is a simplified version of this stem, of the present stem over here. So we're just going to put the augment on the simple stem, lip, and now add the very same endings that we just added for the imperfect. So here's a case where you really have to, it's by concentrating on the stem that you can tell the difference between the imperfect and the aorist. Everything else is the same. So it's going to go elepon, I left. Elepes, you left. Elepe, he, she, or it left. Elipomen, we left. Elipete, you left. And elipon, they left. And now if we move to the middle, we're going to add, use the same stem, but now add the middle endings. And of course, remember, this is only middle. And lepo in the middle can have the meaning to fall short of, for example. So elipomain might mean I fell short of. I won't translate all of these, but that would be one of the possible meanings. Elipu for the second singular, third singular. Elipeto, again, we continue to use the aorist stem. Elipometha. Elipesthe, and eliponto. So there are the three tenses then of lepo, where you can see that the present here and the imperfect both use the stem that comes from the first principal part, lep, and then when you see the simplified stem lip, you know you have aorist.